Thank you so much, Alex. Yes, hello everyone. I thought it would be nice to do a short guided meditation together. This will be, like Alex said, a breathing space for you to kind of reset, to let things land a bit, to maybe find a place to let go of any stress from the morning or from the day, and come into the rest of the day a little bit calmer, a little bit more centered, and hopefully a bit more energized. So, like Alex said, my name is Anton Persson. I work as an engineer in Neo4j, where I have the great pleasure to lead a guided meditation every Friday. So let's jump in. I invite you to sit down for this session, and you can come away a little bit from the back of the chair. This is so that your back can support itself. When we lean back, we have a tendency to kind of drift away more and even fall into sleep, and that's not what we want. We're looking for some alert relaxation. So feet planted steadily on the floor, seat resting heavily on the chair. And if you haven't done so already, I invite you to close your eyes. This will help you to turn inwards and kind of take a break from the outside world a little bit. Just sitting here, arms resting heavily in your lap. Maybe palms facing upwards towards the sky or downwards towards the earth, or folded in each other, whatever way feels most comfortable for you. You can maybe let your shoulders roll a little bit, flexing the spine, maybe rolling the neck, making sure that your body is comfortable. And letting the shoulders drop, relaxing them, unclenching the jaw, let the jaw drop. Softening the area between your eyebrows, softening the forehead. And I invite you to join me for a few deep breaths. We're gonna inhale through the nostrils and breathe out through the mouth with a sigh. So breathing in, filling up the belly, filling up the chest, hold it for a bit, and let go. And one more time, in through the nose, a little bit more, and hold. And let go with a sigh. The sigh helps the body to relax. Breathing in, filling up the body with the air, and letting go. Allowing the breath to return to its normal pace. So for now, just sitting here. There's nothing for you to do in this moment. There's nothing in this session for you to understand, to analyze, to perform or achieve. So you can just let go of any thinking, of any pressure. Your to-do list will be there when you come back. So for now, you can just let it go, let it be, leave it outside, take a break. I promise you it will not feel lonely. So just letting go of any doing, just sitting here. And notice that your body is breathing. It is breathing on its own. You don't need to take care of it at all. And you can notice that you can feel the breath either in your nostrils, in your chest, or down in your belly. So just check in with where you feel the breath most clearly. So if it's in the chest, you rest your attention on the physical sensations of the breath in your chest. And just try to keep your attention there. And whenever you become distracted by any thoughts, sounds, bodily sensations, mental images, whatever it is, when you become distracted, just give yourself a smile and return again with the attention to the breath. There's no need for any self-judgment or criticism. Your mind has been trained to be distracted, to seek out things, jump from thing to thing. It's just how it works. And now we're practicing something different. So any mental images, any sounds, any thoughts, any bodily sensations, they can still be there. You don't need to push anything away, but let it be in the background and let the breath be in the foreground. See if you can follow one single breath from start to finish. Through the inhalation, feeling the tension in the body with the inhalation, the small pause before the exhalation comes, and then the exhalation that relaxes the body. And maybe you can also sense the pause between the exhalation and the inhalation before the next breath starts. Just noticing the silence and the stillness in between the breaths. One breath at a time. And if there are any thoughts like this is not working, or I can't do this, should I do more like this or that? Notice that those are just thoughts. You don't need to give them any energy. You don't need to invest anything in them. Just leave them be. They will pass on their own and return to the breath. And be gentle with the breath. allowing the attention to float with the breath like a river. You don't need to manipulate the breath in any way, letting go of any manipulation. Just staying with the breath, following it wherever it goes. Where is your attention now? Is it on the breath, or has it floated away to something else? Just checking in where you are and return to the breath. And you can let go of the breath for a few moments and just allow the mind to do whatever it wants to do. If it wants to think, you allow it to think. And if it wants to be still, you allow it to be still. And you can start taking in the sounds surrounding you. Your body starts waking up, taking in the room surrounding you. And before opening your eyes, just see if you can bring with you this sense of relaxation and presence into the rest of your day. And you can open your eyes again in your own time. So welcome back. I hope this session was useful for you in some way. I will stay in the chat if you have any questions or if you want to talk a little bit. Otherwise, I wish you a beautiful rest of your day and thank you so much for joining.